Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian and today we're going to be looking at 2016 Toyota RAV4 Limited. This is a 5-passenger 4-door SUV in electric storm blue. Under the hood you'll find a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder riding on top of 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your fog lights, daytime running lights, turn signals on the side mirrors, roof rails, and power liftgate. But now why don't we hop inside and see what else this RAV4 has to offer. Helping us inside, we've got our key fob right here with our lock and unlock button, as well as our power liftgate button, which we'll get to in just a moment. This RAV does have a smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket and the vehicle is locked, put your hand right in there and the vehicle will unlock. I'm going to take a look in the door first. On the bottom you have some nice storage space. Above it are your power windows, locks, and you also have seating presets right there. Next to the door are your power mirror buttons. This RAV is equipped with black leather seating, and on the bottom are your power seating adjustment buttons. But now let's hop inside, start this RAV up. It is a push to start, just put your foot on the brake, press that start button. We're going to take a look on the left side of the steering wheel first. Here you have your volume options, and these arrows will help you navigate through your entertainment display that's located right in the center. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. On the right, you have this cluster which will help you navigate through your multi-information display located right there. You also have dynamic cruise control and your cruise control speed settings right behind the wheel. And just let's quickly show you that this RAV does only have 60,198 kilometers on it. Now let's move on to our screen here. Right now we're on home. It's got a split screen going on with whatever phone you might have connected and your navigation map. Press that and that'll enlarge. Let's go. There we go. Press audio. That'll take you to your sources. You have your standard AM and FM, of course. You also have a choice between USB auxiliary and Bluetooth. We have a backup camera, nice and clear. Below it is your climate control system. It is a dual zone system, so you can control the temperatures on both sides. Underneath, you have your USB auxiliary sport mode. You also have driver and passenger heated seats, and that 12-volt outlet. Low storage compartment, cup holder, and behind the wheel you have one more cup holder. Let's open up the center console. Lots of room in here. Lastly, passenger side, you have this nice little shelf up top, and underneath it is your glove box. Lots of room in there, nice and simple. Let's close that right up. So before we open up the cargo, let's just take a quick look in the back first. On the bottom of the door you have a nice storage space, perhaps for a bottle. More all-weather mats. Behind the two front seats you do have these little pockets for some extra storage space. Of course, we're also continuing with that black leather seating. And in the center here, if we just give this pull down, you got nice two little cup holders in there as well as an armrest. And that just goes right back in. So to open up, all you gotta do is hold this button on your key fob and that power liftgate will open on its own. Lots of cargo space in this RAV. We do have this nice little net on top. Of course, the folding seats do go down in case you need that extra bit of room. And lastly, underneath here is your spare tire in case that ever goes. So to close up, it's as easy as just pressing this button right up top, and that power liftgate will close on its own. Taking a last look at our 2016 RAV4 Limited. Once again, some of your great interior features include your leather heated seats, power sunroof, backup camera, and navigation. But there's a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you again for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.